Dr. Sajjad Ali. I am a clinical neurophysiologist, and I'm happy to announce that we are organizing a comprehensive course on electroencephalography, EEG, right here in Dubai. The courses include all relevant related topics to EEG, including normal and awake sleep EEG, technical aspects of EEG, interictal and non-interictal epileptiform abnormalities, as well as there will be a couple of workshops on 10-20 electrode placement as well as EEG report writing. So please join me for this comprehensive EEG course on the 2nd of April this year. Thank you.